Hello everyone, welcome to Global Online. Myself Nihal. So today we will discuss some of the most expected MCQs from higher education unit that will be in a detailed solution, right? So it will be very beneficial for your upcoming examination to boost your score. Before starting the session, very important thing I would like to tell you all that जिनका एग्जाम आने वाले हैं उनके लिए रिवीजन सीरीज हम लेके आए हैं पेपर 1 का, जिसमें आपको हिंदी और इंग्लिश में यूनिट वाइज एमसीक्यूज मिलने वाले हैं। ठीक है, अपडेटेड एमसीक्यूज ये रहेंगे आपके एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न के हिसाब से। 5000 प्लस अपडेटेड क्वेश्चंस है इसमें, जिससे आपको बहुत सारी हेल्प होगी। रिवाइज होगा सब, शॉर्ट नोट्स है जो कि आप रिवाइज कर सकते हैं एग्जामिनेशन में जाने से पहले, बहुत ही क्विकली रिवीजन हो जाएगा। और मोस्ट रिपीटेड पीवाईक्यूज भी इसमें रहने वाले हैं। ठीक है, तो ये आप कर सकते हैं रिवीजन सीरीज लेके। आप आपका एग्जामिनेशन जो आने वाला है उसके लिए रिवाइज कर सकते हैं। फीस इज ओनली 7999, जिसमें आपका 80 प्लस जो टारगेट है मार्क्स लाने का वो पेपर में फुलफिल हो जाएगा। आपको बस इस नंबर पे व्हाट्सअप मैसेज या व्हाट्सअप कॉल करके ये कोर्स ज्वाइन करना है, ये सीरीज ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन यू कैन सी मैच list 1 with list 2. In the list 1, the ancient universities are given, and in the list 2, the well-known students are given, the famous students. Like Takshila is given, Nalanda, Mithila, Shardapet. These are the all universities, ancient universities. And from those universities, some of the famous students, well-known students are given in the list 2. So we need to match those students with the respective university. Okay, the options are here. You can give your answer in a chat box as well. And in the examination as well, remember one thing, there is no negative marking. This is the best advantage you have. So you need to attempt all the questions. Okay, do not miss any questions to be answered, right? Every question should be answered, whether you don't know, whether you know. If you know, you obviously you will give answer. But if it even you don't know the answer, you just attempt the question. Okay, we never know if your tukka will work in this situation. You will get extra 2 marks, right? And every mark is very important for your qualification. That means to qualify the exam. Clear? So right answer of this question is option 4, or you can say option D. Okay, A, that means Takshashila is related to the Chanakya, Nalanda is related to the Nagarjuna, Mithila is Mithila University is related to the Gangesha Upadhyay, and Shardapet is related to the Kumarjiva. See, Takshashila University, which is located in presently in Pakistan, time period was about 6th century BC. Famous for medicine, politics, military science, philosophy. We have already discussed about that. Correct? Then significance of this university is the oldest university in the world. Okay. Then we have Nalanda University, which is located in Bihar. Time period was founded in 5th century, which is in Gupta period. Famous for Buddhist studies, logic, grammar, medicine, mathematics, and significant of this university, which is hosted thousands of students and teachers from across Asia. So all over the Asia, this Nalanda University was famous, and more than 1,000 students, right, and teachers were hosted over there. Clear? Mithila University, currently in Bihar, Nepal, famous for Nyaya Shastra, and significance of this university is the Brahminical learning center in ancient India. And then we have Shardapet University, right? Shardapet University, present day Pakistan, administered Kashmir, famous for Sanskrit literature, Sharda script, and religious studies. Significance of this university is considered one of the 18 Mahashaktipitas and a prestigious seat of learning. Okay. Next question. Identify the correct chronological sequence of the established of the following universities. So universities are given. See, this kind of questions are being asked in the examination, right? So we need to maximum as you can, just Note down the universities and their establishment years. Okay, that will be very beneficial for you because chronological order is asking in the examination too many times, right? Like Osmania University, Patna, Lucknow, Annamalai, then Rangoon. These universities are given. Just you need to give a sequence of these universities. Okay, options are given here. Just give your right answer. So right answer is option 4. First is Patna, then Osmania, then Rangoon, then option C Lucknow, and option D Rangoon. Sorry, option D Annamalai. See the sequence with the establishment here. Patna University 1917, Osmania 1918, Rangoon 1920, University of Lucknow 1921, and lastly Annamalai 1929. Okay. Next question, which university among the following decided to start postgraduate teaching in 1916? Calcutta University, Andhra University, Himachal University, or Delhi University? Give your answer in a comment box. Alright, so right answer is option 1, Calcutta University. Okay, see the Calcutta University, which was established in 1857, right, and in 1916 that Calcutta University decided to start post graduation. Okay, and this move was influenced by the increasing academic needs and the impending Calcutta University Commission, that is Sadder Commission report. Clear? Then we have Andhra University, established in 1926. Okay, Delhi University in 1922, not in 1916, and Himachal Pradesh, which was in 1970. Okay, 70. Which of the following universities were empowered to confer the honorary degree of LLO in 1884? Dhaka, Calcutta, Bombay, Madras, or Mysore? Okay, options are first is A, B, and C only, or B, C, D only, C, D, E only, or A, D, E only. You know what you need to do. Just give your answer in a chat box. So the right answer is option second, or you can say option B as well. B, C, and D. Okay, Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras. In 1884, three oldest Indian universities, okay, which was established by the British, that Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras, okay, to confer honorary degrees like LLD, Doctor of Laws. Clear? These were first modern universities in India, all were established in 1857. Clear? Dhaka is in 1921, Mysore in 1916, and were founded much later, so they were not included in that. Of the new universities set up between 1920 and 1930 in India, a purely affiliating university, was Nagpur, Lucknow, Patna, or to Rango. Okay, give your answer in a chat box. All right. So the right answer of this question is option A or option 1, that is Nagpur. Choose the correct statement. Statement A is saying about this year, Government of India has spent 6% of GDP on education. Statement B, the Government of Karnataka has established a different state education policy commission under Sukhdev Thorat. Option C, the NEP 2020 was chaired by missile scientist K. Kasturirangan. Option D, the NEP 2020 was chaired by an eminent educationalist Krishna Kumar. Option E, the NEP 2020 promotes private philanthropic participation in the education. Okay, so these A, B, C, D, E. statements are given. Which statement or statements are correct? That we need to choose. A, B, D are correct. B, C, E are correct. A, D correct, or B, C only correct. Options are there. Give your answer. All right. So right answer of this question is option B or option 2, that is B, C, E options. Okay. That means A option. This year government of India has spent 6% of GDP. This is not correct, right? Then option D, that is NEP 2020 was chaired by the eminent educationalist Krishna Kumar. That is also not correct. Okay. B, C and E. These are the correct statements. Arrange the chronologically the following. Again, the chronological question is arrived. Its establishment of Delhi University, University of Grand Commission, NCRT, University of Allahabad, and IGNOU. Okay, give your answer. Okay, so right answer is option 4, that is D, A, B, C, E. This is the correct chronological order. See, this is the exact chronological order. D, A, B, C, E. Okay, University of Allahabad 1987, then Delhi University 1922, then UGC 1956, then NCRT 1961, and IGNOU 1985. Okay, please remember the full form of these UGC, NCRT, and IGNOU. That is very important. It will definitely help you out in the examination, right? Next, Nalanda University in ancient India was renowned center of Buddhist learning, Brahminical learning, Kshatriya learning, or Jain learning. This is actually very easy question, and this question was asked in the examination. Okay, in 2024 examination this question was asked. All right, so this is the right answer. Buddhist learning. Nalanda University is prominent university. Okay, and the Buddhist learning or Buddhist education system was there in the Nalanda University. The Navodaya Vidyalaya to school rural poor students were established on the recommendation of, okay, National Policy on Education 1986, PM Shri Schools, National Education Policy 2020, or Secondary Education Commission 1950. Okay, so basically Navodaya Vidyalaya, okay, was recommended uh, uh, by the National Policy on Education 1986. Okay, remember this. Next is match the list 1 with the list 2. List 1 is about the institutions or portal, and list 2 is about the domains. Okay, institutions like NCTE, NCERT, NAC, and SWAYAM is there, right? Domains are like assessment and accreditation, online education, teacher education, and school textbook. Okay, actually we have done this in the theory sessions, right? And this is the PYQ that has been asked in the examination. And in the theory sessions we have done that uh, the regulatory bodies, right, the universities, getting it? So teachers education, which institution is it related to the teacher education, right? That we all have discussed, getting it? So according to that you have to answer this question, right? All right, so option 3 or option C is the correct. See, NCT is very famous, and this is totally related to the teachers education, right? And if the A is correct, that is confirmed, we know A option is totally connected with the third option of list 2. Then find out in the options where or which option is stating that option A is connected with the third option. Only third, getting it? Only option C is stating that option A is connected with the third option of the list 2, right? So with that, okay, or we can say by doing this trick, you can eliminate the other options and you can choose the correct options from the given below, right? So option 3 is the correct one.